In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a gift card code here in Free Fire. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But redeeming a gift card here in Free Fire is actually pretty quick and simple overall, so let's go ahead and dive straight into this. First things first, actually exit out of Free Fire, and what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Safari, but you could use something else if you'd like. It doesn't necessarily matter. In this section, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in Free Fire redeem code and select the very first option up at the very top, and it's going to pull up the official Free Fire rewards redemption site. Oh my god, that's a whole tongue twister right there. Once you are on this page, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that it says Free Fire up at the very top. And then go ahead and select whatever you use to log into your account. In this case, I'm just going to select iOS because that's what I log into my account with. And once you go ahead and select whatever you have and you sign in, you're going to see the redeem code option. It's going to have a text box where you can paste or type in your gift code. Once entered, just hit confirm and the rewards are going to be sent directly to your in-game mailbox. Make sure, obviously, you do double check before you do submit your code. If it says invalid, try it again carefully. Sometimes a single wrong character can cause an error, but that's it overall. That's how you redeem a gift card here in Free Fire. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.